Greetings of the day. My project is task management system and the number is 41. I just maintained two kind of users. The first one is admin and the second one is user. So this is the homepage of my website and where we can create the task. We can assign the task to others also, and we can track the progress of the task by reviewing their files and all which they uploaded. And there are two types of users, login and user and admin. So let me just go to admin login, and the admin credentials are getting maintained in the database. So all the credentials and all. So I'm just giving wrong password, login failed. And now let me just give correct password like this. So these are the different different status of the task, total task, assigned task and all. This will be explained in the my task management module. And now if I click on add user, let me just give the user as for example, Surya Kumar, for example, and Surya Kiran J 1993. You just need to give a valid email address because the mail will be sent to the particular email ID after successful creation of the user or the account. Surya. Now let me just give department. There are three types of roles I maintain: principal, HOD, faculty. Principal can assign tasks to HOD, HOD can assign tasks to faculty, and principal can assign directly a task to faculty also. So let me just go ahead with the faculty. Add. So it will just take a fraction of seconds to send an email. So user added successfully. So let me just log in with that mail ID which I've given. So so welcome to our platform. You can see email ID and password here, and you can just use the click here to log in so that he can log in with the email ID password. And for example, he just forgot the password. So you can use the forgot password option. So let me just give the password Surya Kiran J 1993 email ID, pass email, submit. If the email ID is not matched with the existing records, you'll get user not found or invalid user. Submit. Password reset instruction sent to your email. So let me just check in the email. So reset password. So reset password and so reset password. So it's not something like this link will be can accessed by anyone. I just maintained a token where the validity is something like 5 minutes only. Otherwise, we can reduce the time also. So that token will not be visible directly in the URL. I just pass that token in the backend as a payload. Okay. So for example, new password, let me just change the password as J Surya. Or for example, Kumar. Let me test Kumar, reset password. So I'm directing to login. Perfect. Now I'm just closing this window. Now view users. So now I've shown you tasks like admin login, and I've shown you how to add user, and next one is sending email also. And then I just shown you forgot password option, which we call it as reset also, reset password. And then let me just show you how to view the users. So admin can view all the users and all. So he can view all the users. So he can type role or name or department as of now. So let me just type name, and these are the HODs and these are the faculty like this. If you want, he can delete also. So let me just delete the user like this one. Okay. So user deleted successfully. Log out. Now let me just log in as the user which I just shown you now. So I'll use my database table. Just now I created this user. The password is Kumar. Password is Kumar because I changed it by using forgot option. So he's a faculty. Okay. So welcome Surya Kumar, and he is a faculty. No task are assigned in the dashboard, and edit profile. Edit profile is something like initially he can view the profile directly, and if he's going to click on edit profile, some fields will be highlighted. He can change the name. So let me just change the name to J Surya Kumar, and he can change the gender. He can't change the department, and email can't be changed. Password can be changed. I think the password is Kumar. Let me just take Kumar123, and the contact number can be changed. Role can't be changed. Click on save. Right. User updated successfully. You can see the updated values also. I'll show you password also. The password got changed to Kumar123. Perfect. And then he can update the image also. So like he can update the image like this. Fine. So go to next row, self task. So what is self task? Self task is nothing but he can add his own task directly. There is no progress review and all. Second one is assign task. The task will be assigned to someone else. That's why I just categorize into two parts. One is self task and the task assigned by others. So self task. He can add any task. For example, having class on Monday. Having class on Monday. Description. Same description I'm giving. Priorities low, medium, high. I'm just displaying the task with the different colors based on the priority. The start date is 16. The previous dates will be hidden. Click on add task. Right. Like that, let me just give another task also. Like, for example, like invigilation duty. On 28th. Right, I add a second task and view self task. I just shown you, I'm just displaying all the tasks in three different categories, three columns: assigned, in progress, and completed. So having class on Monday, priority, start date, and end date, like that invigilation also like this. So he can just change the status by just clicking on this up button. So move to in progress like this, and move to in progress, and move to completed like this. So these are the tasks assigned by himself only, self task. Like there is no review and there is no tracking and all for these kind of tasks. Like this, he can move from assigned to in progress to completed. Now coming to assign task. Assign task. There are three options. To others, he can ask, he can assign the task to others. He can see what are the tasks assigned by him, and he can just check the what are the tasks assigned by others to him. So first one is to others. He's a faculty. He's a faculty. He can't assign the task. He can't assign the task. So let us all just go to a role called as any HOD and all. For example, let me just take an example of one HOD login. Pavan Kumar in failed. Pavan Kumar. HOD. So he can also edit the profile if he wants. He can add the self task. He can view self task like this. He already added self task and assign to others. For example, he want to add the task in academics registration. Complete Y23 registration work. Station work. Done. So it's a high priority task. I just want him to assign to 14. I just want to give some 1 week time. Assign to HOD can assign to faculty. Only faculty will be displayed, but principal can assign to anyone. I mean HOD. First of all, his name will be filtered and only faculty will be displayed here. So I just want to assign to Surya, for example, as a faculty. Add task. So I assign to HOD, assign to faculty. So assign task. So he can just assign to, so this is the task. So assigned. So he can just check the task based on completed status, in progress, and assigned and all. And now he can just uh, search also, for example, submit application data, uh, complete Y23. You can just search that part also. So assign to whom? Surya Kiran. So let me just log in with that user. So I think this is the user, is a faculty, password is Surya Kiran. Yeah. So he can check all the tasks assigned in the dashboard, your assigned task. assign task to me. Okay. So I just got task now, like this one, complete Y23 work. So I can just do two things. One is update progress and progress updates. Let me just go to update progress. Let me just give a progress as 80%. I just need to update my progress to the one who assigned the task. Half of the work done. And let me just PDF file. I'm just taking only PDF file. Later, I'll just ensure that any kind of file will be uploaded. Submit. Task progress updated successfully. Now, task assigned to me, progress updates. So this is the progress which I updated. You can download the PDF also if you want. The PDF file will be saved by using the task ID. And if you're just going to click on update progress, for example, so you are not allowed to update progress at this as this task is already submitted of review, because until the, if for example for the first time, I mean you just submitted your work, until it is got reviewed by the assigner, you can't submit the other progress. So now what I'll do is like let me just log in with the user as Pawan Kumar. So he will check he will just check the progress given by, so task, assign task. So this one assigned, view task progress updates. So he can download if he wants. If you want, he can download and he just click on review. So let me just take 90 for example. Most of the work done. Click on submit review. Right. So reviewed. And now task assigned to me, assigned task. Now I can see the status is now changed to in progress. In progress status will be changed to only he'll undergo with at least one review. And then view, so 80% now. So now let me just log in with that the same user again. So in progress, okay. Task assigned to me, progress updates. So it is under review. So now let me just try to update my, so you can see duration also, update progress. I'm able to update because my previous progress got reviewed. Let me just give 100. Now work completed. Work completed. It is not something like, even though I just given 100 as a completed, but still the status will not be changed to, if you just, status will not be changed to like what we call completed until the person who is going to, you can just check in the dashboard also, it is still in progress only. So the person who assigned the task, only just that progress will be a final progress. So let me just log in with that person, Pawan Kumar. Assign task, in progress task. So review, let me just give 100% again. I mean 80 to 100. Perfect. Submit. Now assign task, now you can see completed. So he didn't get any task, log out. So let me just check with that person whether the status is changed to completed. So you can see the progress updates also. So review, work completed. So dashboard also you can see. And then now the admin can check the all the the dashboard, something like admin. Total tasks are 8, assigned tasks are 3. I mean, they just assigned, but they didn't update any progress. That's why it's still in assigned only. And 2 tasks are in progress and 3 are incompleted. So this is a project which I've done so far. And like what I've done is like the 2 parts. First one is front end, and that is next one is back end. Front end, I just use React.js. I just pushed into GitHub. and backend is a Spring Boot with security everything and all. I implemented JWT everything and all. So these are the controllers are given, security config everything. Now this is my front end project and this is my backend. This is my front end project and this is my backend project. This is my backend project, backend. So I just created all the instance and all. So for time being, what I've done is like I've just pushed into like I deployed my project into a railway app, which is integrated with Docker. So this is my backend URL and this is my MySQL service. So instead of using all the local data and all, the data will be getting populated from the MySQL global MySQL database. And now the front end URL is fst project frontend dot on render.com. So this is the project. So contact us, user login admin. So once just like I applied this like this railway app, I just integrated with CI/CD pipeline also. I'm just trying to do the same case with AWS also. Like thank you so much and thank you for your support.